What if I told you that planes and ships are disappearing, and no one can explain why? This isn't a plot from a science fiction novel or the start of a thriller movie. This is a real place, lurking in the heart of the Atlantic Ocean, a region that has fascinated and terrified explorers, scientists, and storytellers for decades. Welcome to the Bermuda Triangle, an enigmatic stretch of water where the rules of reality seem to twist and vanish, just like the vessels that dare to cross it. Imagine for a moment a vast expanse of deep blue, stretching between the sun-soaked shores of Florida, the rocky outcrops of Bermuda, and the tropical paradise of Puerto Rico. The Bermuda Triangle covers more than 500,000 square miles, a space so large it could swallow entire countries. Within these boundaries, over the rolling waves and beneath the ever-shifting skies, a chilling pattern has emerged. Countless ships and airplanes have vanished, often without the faintest cry for help, without a single piece of wreckage, and sometimes without leaving any trace at all. But why does this happen? Is it the wrath of sudden storms, the shadowy influence of extraterrestrial visitors, or something even more mysterious? A magnetic force pulling at the very compasses meant to guide brave travelers safely through? The speculation is endless, and even the US Navy, with all its technological prowess, refuses to officially recognize the area as a danger zone. Yet, despite skepticism, the disappearances continue, stubborn and unexplained. Let's journey back to 1945. A routine training mission is underway. 5 US Navy bombers, known as Flight 19, soar into the clear Florida sky. The pilots are experienced, the weather is perfect, and their mission is simple. But as radio transmissions grow faint and distorted, a sense of unease creeps in. Suddenly, all contact is lost. The planes and the men flying them vanish without a trace. In a desperate bid to find their comrades, a rescue plane is dispatched, only to disappear itself, swallowed by the same invisible force. This is not an isolated incident. Consider the SS Cotopaxi, a sturdy merchant ship that set sail in 1925, loaded with cargo and optimism. Somewhere within the triangle, it vanished. Decades later, the ship reappeared, eerily adrift near the coast of Cuba. The crew was nowhere to be found. No explanation, only questions and chills remain. Strange phenomena seem to stalk these waters. Compasses spin wildly, refusing to point north. Radios crackle and fall silent, cutting off communication with the outside world. Some pilots and sailors report that time itself seems to bend and stretch, with minutes becoming hours or vanishing altogether. Technology advances. Instruments grow more sophisticated, yet the Bermuda Triangle remains as baffling and unpredictable as ever. What do the experts say? Dr. Kenneth McAllister, a renowned oceanographer, has spent years studying the region's quirks. He notes, there are unusual magnetic readings in that region. They can distort navigation systems. It's scientifically measurable. His words send a shiver down the spine. If the very tools we trust to guide us can be compromised, what hope do even the most skilled navigators have? Aviation analyst Sarah Newton has her own chilling observations. We've seen aircraft instruments behave erratically in the triangle. Systems lose orientation, even shut down mid-air. The implications are unsettling. A pilot, thousands of feet above the ocean, suddenly flying blind. No compass, no radio, no sense of direction, just endless water below and a sky that offers no answers. Yet, not everyone is convinced. Skeptics argue that the Bermuda Triangle is nothing more than a myth, a legend fueled by overactive imaginations and coincidence. They point out that the region is one of the busiest shipping lanes in the world. Statistically, more accidents are bound to happen. But can mere statistics account for the sheer number of unexplained vanishings, the eerie similarities in so many reports? And then, just as the mystery seems to grow colder, new evidence emerges, fueling even deeper curiosity. Recent satellite images have startled meteorologists. Over the Bermuda Triangle, strange hexagonal cloud formations have been detected. These aren't ordinary clouds. They're the kind that can unleash air bombs, micro-bursts of wind with the force of a hurricane, capable of flipping ships and downing planes in an instant. Are these atmospheric anomalies the long-awaited key to the Triangle's secrets, or are we simply seeing the beginning of a new chapter in its legend? The Bermuda Triangle is a puzzle that defies logic and challenges our understanding of the natural world. Some see only science, a region of unpredictable weather, shifting currents, and magnetic oddities. Others sense something supernatural, a place where the veil between worlds grows thin. But the facts remain. Hundreds of vessels, thousands of people, all vanished, all leaving behind families, questions, and stories that refuse to be forgotten. Perhaps the most haunting aspect of the Bermuda Triangle isn't the disappearances themselves, but the silence that follows. No distress calls echo across the waves. No debris floats to the surface. It's as if the ocean swallows its secrets whole, hiding them in the depths where no light can reach. Why does the Bermuda Triangle continue to captivate us? Maybe it's the allure of the unknown, the thrill of a mystery that even the most advanced technology cannot solve. Or perhaps it's a reminder of how much about our planet remains uncharted, unpredictable, and awe-inspiring. For every scientist who brings a new theory, there's a sailor or pilot with a chilling tale of close calls, of instruments gone haywire, of sudden storms that appear out of nowhere, and of eerie sensations that something unseen and powerful lurks beneath the waves. Will we ever truly unlock the secrets of the Bermuda Triangle, or is this a riddle that the ocean has claimed as its own, daring us to solve it, but never allowing us too close to the truth? One thing is certain: as long as ships sail and planes fly, as long as humankind is drawn to adventure and discovery, the legend of the Bermuda Triangle will endure, haunting the imagination, challenging the intellect, and inviting the bravest among us to seek answers where logic and legend collide. So the next time you gaze out over the endless blue, remember, somewhere between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico, the sea keeps its secrets. And the Bermuda Triangle waits, as mysterious and compelling as ever, ready to remind us that even in the age of science and satellites, some mysteries are simply too deep to fathom.